Now I'll take you across the next week's Nifty and Bank Nifty trend. As per the one standard deviation, last week we have seen last week's report we have given on 25th November. We have seen that couple of times the Nifty has hit the trailing stop loss and post which it has achieved the fourth target. And Bank Nifty in the initial phase in the opening of the week, there was a gap down opening, post which it has reversed. We could not make much on that. So last week, definitely it is a very troubled week wherein you got a confirmation of the trend, didn't achieve the optimum target as per this trend in the Bank Nifty. However, Nifty also, though you have achieved the fourth target, but couple of times the trailing stop loss has triggered. So here I wish to tell you one thing. While trading in such kind of situation wherein your trailing is getting hit couple of times, this is a very critical situation to trade in the market. So all the times we do not get a straight line curve, or we cannot think that yes, uptrend breakout has given and we'll achieve the first, second, third target without hitting any trading stop loss. That is not the fact always. However, whenever you are experiencing that after touching the first or second target, if the trailing hits, then it is better to re-enter the same trade at 0.382 level to 0.236 level. So the very fact is, after touching 8192, if the trailing of 8192, if the trailing of 8164 touches, then you need to come out of the trade and again re-enter at 8147 range. This is what I am telling. After touching the second target, if the trailing of 0.5, which is 8164 triggers, then you need to come out of the trade and re-enter at 8164. For the second target, the trailing is 0.5, means 8178 if it triggers, then you come out and again re-enter at 8164. After touching the third or fourth any of these higher target, if the trailing triggers, better wait for this 0.382 levels to come and re-enter. So this is 0.236 to 0.382 level. Again, think of re-entering the trade if the trailing stop loss triggers. So this is how you can work in some kind of exceptional market. So moving to the next week's trend, if you are a regular visitor of our website, you will be getting these levels in our home page. Under this section, if you just hit on this level, you can go to this particular page wherein you can get all past 60 weeks trend calculations in one page itself. And time to time we conduct the event to explain how to make use of this particular level. So coming week on 5th December also, I'm going to have a live discussion session with all of you to explain how to work on this particular weekly trend levels and how to trade in intraday as per the one standard deviation. So the objective of those sessions is to give you some in-hand experience in using those levels. So next week what we are expecting, so this report we have generated 2nd December, like all earlier weeks. Every Friday post 6 o'clock you can get these reports. I have taken the last traded price of the Nifty at 8,110, 12.44 percentage of annual volatility, real-time estimate we have taken, and using that I got that 140 point of oscillation is expected in the Nifty, 8143 above the uptrend is set, 8077 below the downtrend is set, and Friday's closing was 8110. If the uptrend breakout gives, then we can get the first target at 8196, second as 8220, third as 8234, and so on. Same way, if the downtrend breakout gives, then our first target will be 8024, second 8000, and so on. So how to trade on these levels, that also I have told you clearly. So here, if you are buying at 8143 level, definitely stop loss you will be putting at downtrend starting point 8077. Hedge it with one 8100 put option, and if you are selling the future at 8077, so nearest strike 8100 call option also you can buy and hedge it. This is a very simple hedge with the buying a call option and put option. You can also think of writing of some options, selling some options to hedge it also. So once you buy particular instrument Nifty and you have achieved the first target, then you need to trail your stop loss to 0.382 level, 8163 level. If your second target 8220 is achieved, then trail your stop loss to 0.5 level, 8180 level. If your third target of 8234 achieved, then trail your stop loss to 0.786 level and continue this till the trailing is not triggered. As I have told you, many times you may not get a straight line market, or the curve will not be a straightforward. I entered here, I achieved the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all targets without triggering any trailing stop loss. Sometimes the trailing stop loss also will trigger. If the trailing stop loss triggers, try to make a re-entry in the 0.236 to 0.382 level once again. So that is one technique you can follow. Second technique also is there. If you do not want to make an re-entry, once you achieve the first target and second target, which is known as your death zone, so there is a maximum probability that you can retrace back. So nothing wrong if you can sell if you have bought future with a hedging and already achieved a first or second target. So you have last target of 8336, you are at 8220 level or approaching towards the 8234 level. Think of selling some call option above 8350 strike or 8400 strike call option you can think of selling. So by that process, what happen, if the trailing triggers also part of the money, you can get it from this sell side of option and come out from the trailing position and wait for the re-entry at 0.382. You can do that also. Many different ways you can able to speculate in these particular positions, weekly positions, to enhance your profitability in case the trailing stop loss triggers. Same way, Bank Nifty, we are expecting a huge move in the Bank Nifty with the 608 points because of RBI review is there next week. So I have taken a reference of 18,335. The volatility itself is very huge. It is some 23% plus it is coming per annual basis. If it gives a breakout at 18,567 above, think of buying with a weekly put option of 18,500 along with the future long to hedge it. If you're selling at 18,100, think of a call option of 18,100, weekly options preferably, to hedge it. So hedging this particular options, hedging this with particular options is highly essential, and you can make use of weekly options to hedge the positions. So this is how you will trade next week in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So though I have given a very simple option strategy here along with a future long buy a put option along with a future short buy a call option, you can enhance the trade's profitability with many more hedging techniques. Many more hedging techniques are there by means of which you can enhance the profitability of this trade. And many hedging techniques also I have given here. If you have gone to our website under the article sections of our website, you will find out fantastic techniques I have given. Covered call option strategy along with the 1SD, multiple bull and bear spread, many profit from cross calendar. Using this particular one standard deviation trend levels, how you can form different option strategies. I have given a elaborate discussion along with those examples and details, procedures. Just it needs little bit of your time. If you can concentrate and read through those articles, definitely it is going to benefit you in your 1SD weekly trade. However, if the trend is clear and it is unidirectionally moves without triggering any trailing stop loss, you need not have to worry and you will get the success. But better if you can add some option component to it, then your profitability in those trades increases. If you wish to own this particular software of one standard deviation, it costs you 2,700 rupees per year. And this software you can able to do intraday, positional, in equity and future segment. You can able to do options intraday also. This weekly positions what we are giving, it is just for the promotions for this particular method. However, the real tool has many different instruments and you have many different ways it is being programmed so that it can enhance your profitability to a great extent. So keep following this week's level and share your success or failure with us. Post the weekend.